Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay Willie Guy and welcome to another video. I just got a package from Splattergoat. I'm gonna open it and let's see what's going on. Alright, so this video is basically sponsored by Splattergoat. Those guys are freaking awesome. I'm hoping to do more work with them, but this is a board and grip tape that I designed. So I'm gonna put my GoPro on and we're gonna unbox it real quick and check it out. And then I'll probably do a separate video of like how I designed it and all that stuff. If you guys like it, let me know. I'm planning on maybe ordering some more and selling them to you guys for my SiclePop skate company. So if you like them, let them know. Now let's unbox this and check it out. I'm so excited. Also, quick interruption. Don't forget to go check out SiclePop Skate on Etsy. I got the link down here. You can go to the GoFundMe and support us. Or if you want to go buy some merch, we got hoodies, we got shirts. I got a nice Christmas anime like Toby candy cane looking thing. Is pretty cool, but yeah, go support it. I'm sending some of this stuff to a few skaters that I'm technically sponsoring, so I hope they like it, and if they get it, maybe they'll tag me and I'll share it on Instagram and you guys can all see it. So yeah, let's get to this. All right, guys, let's just get right into this. So if you guys like these, let me know in the comment section and I'll plan on ordering more, and then you can pre-order them. Like maybe I'll do a whole thing. If you guys like them, message me in the comments and let me know. And then I'll eventually announce it on my Instagram when I order more, and everybody can kind of pre-order some. And yeah, we'll do all that. So that way it's easier for me to do it because I don't really know how many to order until I know how many people want to order them. So we'll probably have to do like some sort of pre-order thing or whatever. But unless you want to create your own, of course you can create your own design and order from Splattergoat themselves. So let's just open it and see what it looks like. So my brand and everything is inspired by anime because I love anime so much. So I don't know if you can kind of see through this, but definitely gonna be anime inspired. So when we flip it over this way, oh sweet, they got us some cool stickers. This is my first board from Splattergoat, so I'm already really liking this. So I'm probably definitely gonna be ordering a lot more custom stuff from them. But here's my design, guys. Are you ready? Dang, those pizza stickers are freaking sick. Ready? Boom! Oh yeah, Itachi, SiclePop, beautiful. There's a little SiclePop in Japanese, SiclePop. So this is sick, and he like sealed it in this plastic, so it's like literally brand new. And I don't know if you guys saw my last reel, but my old board literally just snapped, so I have another board to skate now. So here's the board. If you guys like this, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll do a pre-order thing, figure out how many people pre-order so I know how many boards to order, and I'll do like the pre-order probably on my Instagram or whatever, have people DM me and I don't know, use PayPal or whatever. But here's the board. And now we also have grip tape from them. I think they started with grip tape and then they just started doing boards recently, but he really wants to lean towards like the custom stuff. So if you guys want to make your own custom boards, go check out Splattergoat. If you want to order one of these that I'm making, the grip tape and the board, let me know. I'll get a number down, get some pre-orders going, and then we'll know how many orders. So here's the grip I designed. Oh my gosh, that is so sick. Purple. We got paint, we got the skeleton going. Dude, this is super grippy too. I like this. Splattergoat.com right there. So that's where you guys want to go if you want to make your own custom stuff. They do grip tapes and boards. Oh my gosh, we definitely need to do a setup with this grip and this board. Imagine that. This on the bottom, got the paint on top. Dude, can you guys imagine? That's gonna be so sick. Oh my gosh. Yes! Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody from Splattergoat. And if you're watching from Splattergoat, I love you guys. This is so sick. Keep in contact with me and we should totally keep doing more work. I'll make more videos, you make more grip, more boards. It'll be like a, you know, symbiotic relationship. It's freaking, oh my gosh. This is amazing. This is crazy. Oh, I can't wait to set this up. Let's get some better shots of these guys. just want to say another huge thank you to the guys from Splattergoat. You guys are freaking amazing. This board and this grip looks so sick. I can't wait to skate it and set it up and use it for all my videos. But thank you for letting me work with you guys. And yes, if you're watching this, I would love to continue to work with you guys. The quality of your products are great. The grip looks sick, and I can't wait to try out the board and see how it feels and see how long it lasts. I'm super satisfied, looks sick. If you guys want to keep working with me, let me know. And if you guys watching love this stuff, go check out Splattergoats. If you guys want to order my designs and this stuff, I'm going to be putting it on the SiclePop Etsy shop, but I'm going to have to be doing pre-orders. So you guys need to let me know how many of you guys want to order it, how many boards you want to order, and all that, so we can get the pre-order set up so I know how many boards to order. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you Splattergoats for the epic grip tape and skateboard. And I'll see you guys in the next video.